Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the Mommy's Talk after a long time. Today we are going to be live with Divya. Let me check if she's here because she is a mommy of a very small kid and she has to go back. So we have to finish this session as soon as possible. So let me check if she's here. No. We are going to talk on a very important topic. It's effortless parenting and how to ignore or how to embrace the mess made by kids. Check if she's here. Okay. I think she hasn't joined yet. Yeah, she's here. Let's invite our guest, Divya. Hey, Divya.
Hi.
Hi, your voice is not echoing now?
No, it's fine from my end. Let me just place
Yeah.
my phone. It's okay?
Yeah. You're visible too. And you're audible too.
Okay, fine. So let's go. Yeah.
Yeah. I already introduced you just as Divya, and you are not very, free because you have a very small kid, so you have to go back to your kid. So we have lesser time. So
No,
without wasting time,
not
not
because
that.
I'm not free. I'm really shy on camera. It's just you
Ah,
requesting.
you are so amazing on cameras. I have seen your those videos on spiritual things. It's awesome. Those are
It's recorded
fantastic.
ones are fine, but live I have hardly done maybe one or two only. So so you're
Okay. It's okay. It's
taking me
okay. It's
out of
okay.
my comfort zone. So I thought, okay, she's asking me why not?
Nee, actually, I have seen your videos and I think and you're a very, happy mom type, happy-go-lucky type ma'am. So I was like, you'll be giving some tips to those moms जिनको लगता है बच्चों को बहुत tantrums बच्चों के लिए हम लोग like we get angry. So you are perfect for this topic, I guess.
And no. I also have my like bad timings when I'm in complete anger, and it's completely normal to accept that too. That's also part
Okay,
of
okay.
parenting. It's not like you will never lose your calm. वो हो ही नहीं सकता बच्चों के साथ वो तो true है ही है.
Yeah. Acha, this happens with you also. I thought you'd never go like that. Okay. Acha, introduce yourself to our audience, please. Divya, like, where are you from and everything?
Okay, so I started my handle Baby and Beyond around 2018. So I was
Okay.
I'm a working plus I was taking care of Nivan. So I started in 2018. The purpose was it like I was really interested in going for those mom meeting and to meet them and to have a social circle apart from professional life. So that was the main thing.
Okay.
So
Okay.
yeah, I was not posting much but attended few meetings here because of lack of time. Like I was not very much active on Instagram or I was just learning during that phase. But after
Okay.
March, like the my workload decreased a lot. There was not much work from the office. So I started become more active, explored like various apps and started making more videos, started doing lots of activities with Nivan. And so
Yeah.
that like I will say like I truly started blogging during lockdown period. Initially I was
Lockdown.
very much active. I was there, I was more on watching side rather than producing content. But during the lockdown,
Okay.
like I started doing it, truly speaking.
Content writing. Okay. So where are you from, Divya?
So I stay in Delhi and we stay in West Delhi. And I
Okay.
basically
And
I'm from Haryana. So after marriage, I shifted to Delhi and staying here.
okay. And do you want to say something about Nivan? How's he like a naughty kid or like
Uh,
he's like no, mama,
Yeah, he's very happy baby.
mama's boy.
No,
Okay.
he's kind of mama's boy, but he's very happy baby. If he's surrounded by people, he will make sure everyone is looking at him. He will try to make them happy. He's totally a people person, not like me.
Okay, that makes you happy mom too.
I am kind of like I try to like a little shy and all that. He's not like that. He's in fact I'm waiting very much for
This is because आजकल के बच्चे they can't be shy,
that. True that, true that.
Every
But no, within a minute, like if you will leave him with a stranger for 5-10 minutes, within some time he will start showing him his toys. He will start playing them. He will be laughing at looking at their faces. So he really loves company of people. It's maybe
okay,
because
okay.
he's 24 hours with me. Maybe because of that. Even
Yeah.
if I take him to the park, he enjoys sharing his toys. He loves kids. He will call them and play with them. So uh,
Okay, okay, okay. So she's like, yeah, he's happy go
yeah, yeah.
type man. Yeah. So,
He-
what about your work time now? So you're still
So uh, initially my work time was 9 to 5, but currently it's flexible. Like I have the workload is very less for me, the industry which I am in. So, but still,
okay. So
I'm
you have this
having lots of time demand.
with Nivan. Yeah. Okay. So come to our point. Okay. So today's topic is what this how to ignore and embrace mess, which is very important, and effortless parenting. So what do you want to say about effortless parenting?
Okay, so it's a like the questions which came to you, you have sent me on DM. So it's like to some people it seems like a very broad topic, and actually it
Yeah.
is like covering the whole parenting. So first starting embracing the mess part. If you start with a very young child, like as young as 6 months old or 12 months, the mess part starts with their feeding. So the
Yeah.
more you allow them to have
Absolutely.
self-feeding, it will be good for you in the future. Like now he's 2.5, and I will say like 70% of his meals are self-fed. Like
Oh
we
wow.
will be eating
Wow.
lunch and dinner, and he will come with his own plate and will have his own meal. Sometime I
Wow.
have to like
Okay.
he's busy with playing and he will ignore the food completely. Then I have to like okay, let me feed him, or it's very
Stand
curry
behind.
based food then. So
Okay.
he
Okay.
from the very young age he was like from 6-7 months when he started eating, he was given food to explore. So whatever I have
Okay.
seen some of my videos, like he was 7 months old and he is eating pineapple and guava and anything. Now he is at that level. If he will feel hungry, he will go to the fridge and take out the fruit which he wants. So
Oh
let
wow.
me explore, and sometime like when I
Yeah,
was
but there are, yeah, since I DM you, there were some queries. Like, if you let them allow to, create the mess, so it becomes really tough to clean the mess too. So,
it,
like,
but
is it feasible?
so
Feasible?
you have to
We should
first you have to prepare yourself. You have to have expectation
prepare
like
mind
mess will
mentally.
be या mindly prepare. वो perfect house तो हो नहीं सकता जो बच्चों से पहले था. Not possible. Your bed will
Yeah,
be
yeah.
like 2 or 3 of cars will be there, or his toys blocks will be there,
It's
and
still yeah.
so you have to embrace it. There's no other option actually.
Okay, so like you say कि we should embrace it, we should not like shout or for this we should not shout on kids, right?
Yeah. And
Okay, like
eat the
acha,
food. हाँ,
it's about toys too. Same with the
yeah,
toys.
first is we covered the food part. तो वो जितना मेस करेंगे उनके लिए अच्छा है. They will learn self feeding and अपने आप से they will learn to like clean up. तो we have to take precaution, but let them do it. Like mat लगा दो, cloth को लगा दो. उसके लिए भी I have truly hardly used. I am like नीचे बैठ के
Okay,
खाओ and eat it. So that way it.
yeah.
And apart from toys, like initially I was also quite finicky. Okay, ये block set है, ये एक box में डाल के रखो. Okay, this is this. ये एक बॉक्स में डालो. तो आई वाज लाइक ओ माय गॉड, ये नहीं मेंटेन हो सकता. आई हैव टू एक्सेप्ट इट. 2 पीसेस इसके यहाँ पड़े होंगे, 2 पीसेस यहाँ पड़े होंगे, एंड लेट इट बी. लाइक
This is happening with me every day. So
So
this
I
is a very
accept
important topic
that
for
he
me too.
plays with whatever he wants to play with, and in the night I will just put everything in a one container. Or if I am in a like mood or I have time to do it, he's sleeping, I will sort it out. Okay, let's sort this toy pieces or let's sort this butter. So that too I do once or twice in a month. Otherwise, let it be. Let him play, and whatever he
Okay,
wants
okay.
to
You
play
let
with.
This is
Yeah,
the second thing. Let them be. Let them play with
yeah.
what they want. And there's this thing I have heard of. Kids generally like to play with like that bowl and spoon in water. Those things. So what do you say? Should we allow them to do this
See, like
to
if
keep them
child is
busy?
willing to do, let them do it. Like playing with water. I have tried few sensory activities with him, which have gone okay. But most of the time, he is either playing with crayons or he will color anything he will find. His bikes are colored, our chairs are colored.
Acha,
Some people
and let them do the drawings on walls also.
yeah. So as he's 2.5 years old, so he's not like crayon's hand is still not like that. He's not much interested into crayons. He will pick it up and draw a little, and then he will leave it himself. So even in the painting, if I'm trying with him, half the bed sheet will be done with like though I will place the paper, but let it be. So that
Acha, this happens. So you don't get angry with these things.
no, with his things, I don't get angry at all. Sometime I will get pissed off when he's like not because of his exploration things. I never get angry. What I get angry because of like mm, if he will insist on something like if there was today morning it happened. He was asking. I was making roti. He was asking, give me atta. So atta was not there,
Acha,
and
acha.
then he was like, like I can really figure out when I get angry with him.
Oh my God, this is a very good thing. Like you don't remember. That means you don't get angry too much on your kid. That's a very good thing. We
Yeah.
need to get know these tips actually. How do you keep yourself calm when a kid makes you angry and you keep yourself calm? How's that possible?
Maybe I take a break. Like I'll let him. I like over analyze the situation. I let him do what he wants. If it's totally beyond control, like he wants to go out to the park at 7 o'clock, so that's not impossible. That's not possible. So I will try to divert his attention. Like okay, let's play something else. Maybe he will forget.
Basically, handle it smoothly. Yeah.
Yeah, and it happens. He will forget within
Yeah,
5 minutes.
there's someone who's saying I'm so much short-tempered, and this happens with moms. I have seen after being a mom, they get short-tempered. So, what should they do? Like, if they're short-tempered?
Uh, don't take out your anger on kid. If it's totally like they won't understand it why mom is angry. But in fact, if I shout at Nivan, sometimes he will say, "Mama, kya hua?" Like he want an explanation to it. So and he will
Yeah, yeah,
he will say ki data, and so I will like no, I don't have to do this to him.
yeah. We should not do this. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. And anything else about mess you want to say? True, after being
So
mom. Yeah.
yeah, and on the basis of like kids on the topic of effortless parenting, I will say ki, so first we have to be busy on easy on ourselves only. You don't have to expect too much from a kid. So that is very basic
Okay,
thing. And
okay.
do celebrate their small achievements and enjoy with them. That's important. And other thing is like about the activities, I get this question very frequently, like my kid is not at all interested in activity. You work like Niman
Yeah,
does
yeah.
so smoothly and so efficiently. So to all
Hmm,
of
hmm,
them,
hmm.
I replied like, first of all, you just see 2-3 minutes of video. Apart from that, there is a half an hour of work beyond that. It's not like I don't
Ah,
post
yeah.
my failures. I sometimes post it. Okay, uh,
Hmm.
yeah, I do post it like what I expected it to be like, but it what how it has went like. So that is also important. So
Hmm.
and
We
you
have
should
to be patient with our failures too.
yeah, and never
Yeah.
force your kid to do any activity or anything. Maybe they are not interested in crayons. Don't force them. Okay, you have to do it. You have to do it. That won't work anyway. If they want to have lots of free play, let them have it. If
Okay, okay.
give them a small block set, give them a 4 or 5 pieces only. Let them play whatever way they want. That we can't teach them over and again. Okay, how this do it, how to do it. And sometimes I
Yeah,
notice
yeah.
with Nivan, he himself, like after doing attempting it for a failure for 2 3 days, 4 days, it's a kind of a success. So
Okay, 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 okay.
like the
So
kids
so he
learning won't
does it
happen
again.
in one day. So
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
So be prepared. You want
For
like if you
failures.
first time you do a activity, they won't be doing it expertly. Like even for a puzzle piece,
Yeah.
if you're introducing color, it's a chain of events, and like through practice you achieve it in 5 6 days, and still don't force them. Never, never.
Okay, 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 okay. Yeah. This is one very important thing that we should not force them. Okay,
Yeah.
or else some topic is something you want to say, some more tips you want to say for effortless parenting.
Yeah,
What should we do?
like I'm whatever I'm saying, it's only on the basis of experiences of
Your
Nivan. So
experience. Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
having fun is most important. Don't force them to, okay, you have to sit with the books and teach them color. You can teach them colors with their toys only. Like, okay, which color is your this scooter is. If you are taking them to the park, pick a leaf and tell them, okay, this is a green color. It doesn't
Mm-hmm.
have to be an activity where you two are sitting with a full concentration and doing a task. No, for kids it can be
Acha.
teaching. Like the teaching is so much of their teaching is happening, like looking at anything they are learning things the way you are.
Yeah, we should not stick to book.
Yeah.
Okay, 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 okay. So this is our second tip for the day. We should not stick to the book. And what about this? Anger. How to control our anger? How to do this with us? Like
Okay,
we get angry, moms get angry.
so this I will address by
So
your
what do you
question.
do?
You received a question saying like I laughed at this question. Sorry to say, whoever sent it. See, मेरा बच्चा बहुत शैतान है, मैं कैसे कंट्रोल करूं? So,
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
first is the word shaitan has so much of negative connotation. Please don't use it for kids. You can say
yeah. Okay.
sharati hai, naughty hai, mischievous
शरारती
hai.
not ये.
Shaitan is
बच्चे
like
शैतान
devilish
नहीं
kind
होते.
of a. I
Negative,
personally,
negative. Yeah.
I don't personally like that word. So the question was कि कैसे control करूं? So there was no point कि बच्चे को control करूं या खुद को control करूं. The thing is you have to work on your anger. The kids won't be.
अच्छा.
Yeah. The
We
kids
need,
are.
we don't need to control our kids. We basically need to control our, emotions, that anger emotions.
So let them be.
Okay.
If they are not harming themselves or not
And acha, abhi just when before coming live, I got this make this video on tantrums. So like how to ignore baby tantrums. Like बच्चे,
like
sometimes बच्चे भी they have mood swings too. Kids also have mood swings, right? So like how to ignore that or what to do when they get angry.
so the basic see their attention span is very less, and even their memory for particular things are very less. So if the thing which works with kids is distraction only. If they are adamant on one thing,
Hmm.
try to distract them from that thing. Involve them in other thing, and they mostly will forget that in 5 10 minutes.
अच्छा, like if they are like completely into नहीं नहीं यही चाहिए तो we should try to distract them to
Distract.
other things.
Yeah,
Okay, okay,
that's
okay.
it.
Yeah, and sometimes like if it is teething or whatever, kids go very fussy and they don't like to eat and they behave very irritatingly. So what should we do
Uh,
to
uh,
like soothe
Luckily
them?
for him, I never get any, like, I don't know. I'm lucky enough. My parenting journey was very smooth. Like 6 months now, he's 2.5. He himself started self feeding, so that was great. Teething was like not an issue, and at one point, like he was an exclusive breastfed baby. So when I have
Okay,
to
okay.
join back to office after my maternity leave, so I try to put him on a bottle mode. Like, okay, now I have to make
Mm-hmm.
the switch. I will be going to office, maybe express milk or formula feed, whatever he will be having. So like 15 20 days before I was due to join my office, I started the bottle thing with him, but it didn't work with him. So he was also
Oh,
kind
okay.
of a lazy baby. No efforts, जो easily मिलता है वो चाहिए. So automatically.
Okay.
When I started going to office, so initially I kept my
So you
hours.
didn't need to you used to get angry, or you used to get like, oh God, you never felt
थोड़ा सा
like that.
कंसर्न था कि कैसे मैनेज होगा, मुझे ऑफिस जाना है, क्या खाएगा पिएगा पीछे से, बहुत लाइक माय मदर वाज सपोज्ड टू टेक केयर ऑफ हिम, शी वाज लिटिल वरीड कि खाएगा क्या पीछे से, बट नहीं, इजीली मैनेज हो जाता है, लाइक वो स्ट्रेस लो ही मत, लाइक दे वोंट रिमेन
For
हंग्री,
sure.
दैट इज देयर, they if they
That is up to them. Obviously, they'll have something for sure.
so he started
They'll
having,
ask.
he started having milk from katori chammach. Still he's
Okay.
like he's still breastfeed and वो वही लेता है milk portion. Now
Okay.
he like even the transition from katori chammach to a cup, open cup was very smooth. I didn't even come to know कि हाँ ऐसा कुछ नहीं था कि अब मुझे उसको train करना है कब से. It happened eventually. मतलब उसमें effort देने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ी.
And there's one more thing, like potty training and all. You didn't have to do that potty training and all.
Potty training part तो नहीं हुआ है उसका अभी. He is like still
अच्छा
not
अच्छा, yeah.
potty trained. He will tell it
He's
after
just chill.
doing it. So maybe let him take his time and I will do it.
Basically, it's not up to Nivan. It's you who has done it very smoothly. You never got like irritated of no 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 नहीं अभी
The
करना चाहिए
transition
ना.
of, like I
That's
don't know, I will the potty training thing, I have not started it. I started 1 month back, got him potty seat, got him books to read, but he was not prepared. Maybe I tried it once or twice, but he seems not to be prepared, so I have leave it. Maybe after another
okay.
15-20 days I will try it and let's see how
You'll
it goes.
again try.
Yeah.
We should do this. This is like tip 3 of the day. We should try again with kids.
Yeah, and don't force it. Like some people, like some children are prepared. I have seen, I have like people say stories like they have potty trained their kid at the age of 9 months. They have potty trained their kid at the age of 1.5 years. But he's 2.4, still not potty trained, and I'm okay with it.
And you're okay with it, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Basically, the mom. Okay, okay.
So no
Thank you
stress. Like
so much,
eventually he
Nivedita.
will learn it. Like by the age of 4, he will 3 and 3.5. He will be going to school. By that time,
He
I will.
has to learn it, and the thing is, your point of view is a kid has to do it someday or the other. We should not force it कि नहीं आज ही करके, and
Exactly,
then we'll
exactly.
show off. Yeah, we have to show off to everyone कि see my baby is doing this. So it's not like that. It's up to parents basically. Now
Yeah.
I can understand this. कि it's up to parents.
Yeah, yeah. And activities also I started doing with him because I have lots of time in hand. So if you are
Okay,
short
okay,
of
okay.
time and you don't have the time, so it's okay if your kid don't know phonics, if your kids don't know colors. Slowly, like don't force like and sit, okay, I have to teach you colors today. You have to learn it today. It doesn't happen with kids. It's a very slow process and they will all
And
eventually.
we should not compare to right. There's this thing I've seen in parents, like if they go to some people's home, or if they see some other baby of same age knowing this color thing, or yeah, he can see say eyes, nose, and you are not able to see, and they start comparing and they start forcing नहीं अब तो तुमको करना ही चाहिए. So
Compare like let them tell, okay, my kid learned it this at this stage, okay, my kid might learn it a little later, it's okay, not to be worried
okay,
about.
so
Yeah.
yeah, we should say it like this, okay?
Nivan started speaking after 2 years of age, so it was kind of late for most of the people. But the excuse most of the time he got is लड़के late बोलते हैं. You must have heard of
Yeah, lucky, yeah, lucky. Yeah.
अभी वो इतना बोलता है, I'm like कि थोड़ी देर तो चुप हो जाने he
Okay,
sleep
okay.
over from morning. Like, so
So what about like like you said कि हाँ लड़के कब late बोलते हैं, और so what about that other people, other people say so many things about our kids कि ये बच्चा ऐसा क्यों है, बच्चा वैसा क्यों है, बच्चा भी ये क्यों नहीं कर रहा है, and all. So what do you want to say to them?
I will say कि for me, like if I have to summarize it, parenting is getting over perfection and opinions of others. Don't listen to others.
Okay.
If you feel like following something, don't mindlessly follow it. Like if your kid is doing it and your kid is not doing it, no, it's not gonna help. And
Okay, okay, okay.
once I was like, I don't know whether I should give a reference to this one. Someone was complaining on social media itself, like people are delaying the age of their child. Like someone who is 3 years old, they are saying they are 2 years old because they can match with the milestone. You got
Yeah, milestone. Yeah, yeah,
हाँ,
yeah, yeah.
जरूरत क्या
हाँ
है?
हाँ yeah.
Like इतना स्ट्रेस लेने की जरूरत नहीं है उसके बारे में. वही,
Oh,
that's my
that means
point.
effortless painting is stressless painting. Stress नहीं लेना है.
करेक्ट करेक्ट.
Okay, okay.
3 4 5 years तक तो मतलब लाइक इफ आई टेक द एग्जांपल, निवान का अभी क्रेयॉन्स हैंड इतना अच्छा नहीं है. मतलब ही जस्ट
Yeah, yeah.
lines only, and I have seen like some comparison wise, if you say 2.5 year old drawing very effortlessly, then I see कि okay यार मेरे को भी ड्राइंग नहीं आती है अच्छे से, मे बी उसको नहीं होगा इंटरेस्ट, सो नहीं ड्रॉ करना
Hmm.
रहने दो. So even if I
हाँ, like
give
we
him a
should.
crayon, he will be like, rather than drawing on a paper, he will draw in and around. He will paint his bike. So that's his interest is. So I think,
Basically, every kid is different. He might be interested in something else.
yeah.
Sheesh. Jagan Mohan
Uh,
Reddy. Oh
oh,
my God.
I don't know.
Okay, this is this is nothing of interest. Okay, so guys, if you have some queries, if you anyone, if you want to ask something about this effortless parenting and how to ignore mess, you can ask it here too. If anyone has missed out sending queries, and if you don't have, we'll just end up with this session
Yeah.
after some tips from Divya. Okay, so Divya, since there are no queries, if a query comes, we'll DM you. What do you want to say at last about this effortless parenting and how to ignore mess about the topic? You want to say something to all
So,
the mommies
yeah, yeah. So
and
like,
about the tantrums too.
okay, tantrums parts. I
Kids
think
having
you
tantrum.
give me example, like you can say it. It's a tantrum. For me, everything is a normal behavior for kid. Tantrum wise, like sometime Niman gets very fussy that like he has to see the TV, or I'm like,
See,
no,
like
you don't have to.
my girl, she shows her tantrum thing is like she scratches. If she's angry, she scratches. Like if a kid is there, she can scratch her face. So
Okay.
that is her tantrum. You know. So and I can't ignore that. I have to get angry on her. It's not because she's doing this to me. This is she's doing to some other small kid, छोटा सा बच्चा को if she's doing. So I have to show that anger. So how to ignore that? This is a query from my side.
Okay, so that exactly, like the scratching is not the problem. So I think this problem is something more, like why she is doing that. Maybe you have to figure that
Yeah.
out. Yeah.
I have been trying to figure this out from last 1 year. I'm not getting it. And it's not with every people. Like, Joby, if she wants to do something, she is like a boss baby. ये बिल्कुल, you know, दबंग type से चलेगी. And if a person
Actually,
comes and like,
that's what like the confidence, it's come so late in some people, and she's already confident. So
yeah,
let
so like she's confidently, yeah, she
yeah, yeah.
goes confidently. But if someone comes and a baby comes and like he wants to hug her, she scratches her face. So I think this is the thing कि she doesn't want to get like कोई उसको जबरदस्ती कुछ करे तो she scratches, I
That's a
guess.
good thing, na? Like
But
I don't see a tantrum part here. It's maybe her defense mechanism. मतलब जबरदस्ती कोई कुछ करे तो it's her defense mechanism.
okay, so I should take it as a good point too.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So you should appreciate her. She's like confident in herself, and it's okay. You should nurture her these qualities. And
So,
tantrum might, like sometimes Niman doesn't want to take a bath, and it gets so irritating. Okay, take a bath. So okay, like maybe you have to divert them. You have to give them some incentive. Okay, if you take a bath, we can go to the market. We can go to the park. That way it works. Sometimes otherwise tantrum wise, फीडिंग आई एम नेवर वरीड. अगर उसने खाया है नहीं खाया ठीक है यार, उसको भूख लगेगी, आई टोल्ड यू ही विल गो टू द फ्रिज एंड फीड हिमसेल्फ. समटाइम ही हिमसेल्फ डिमांड्स फॉर द फूड, ममा गिव मी राइस, राइस बन गए, ही विल से दिस वर्ड्स. Someone is writing, I think it is best to identify her early cues, her trigger points, the right time to get in. You can stop her. Yeah. The
thank
trigger
you.
points, like the
I'll,
scratching is not the problem. What is causing it is the problem. Like maybe why
yeah,
she
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, that thing, like you said, na, we should identify what is happening with her, what is the problem with her.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I felt it. It's that, like, if she wants someone to play with her and he is not playing, she'll scratch that kid.
Oh,
If
okay.
if someone is trying to hug her, like, zabardasti agar kar raha hai, तो she'll scratch. So these two things which I could
Commercial
identify.
part, though, I'm fine.
So
Like she's doing the self-defense. You can tell her like you have to be
self-defense.
polite. First, say no. If the kids is not listening, then like so
The thing is that only I'm very bad with it. I'm trying to control my anger. I sometimes scold in front of all, and they say कि कहाँ इतना थोड़ा सा soft हो जाओ. Okay, so what do you want to say about the topic? Let's wrap up this session. And
it's
if you want to say
no
something to
perfection.
audience.
Parenting is not a perfection. There will be a mess. It's better you embrace it. Otherwise, you will be going like finicky over cleaning your house, over having the best kid. Okay, I want my kid to teach this, this, this. That doesn't work. So parenting is just going over the perfection. Perfection nahi dekhna, and stop taking opinion from others. You know what is best for your baby. ठीक है, there are some milestone which kids need to follow at particular age. एक दो
Thank
महीने
you, my
बाद will be
parenthood.
perfectly okay. Thank you, my parenthood. So yeah, that's it from my side.
Okay, thank you, Divya, so much for giving time. You have a smaller kid and you have to play with him, you have to do your work and everything, and then also you took out time for us. Thank you so much.
My
I'm gonna
pleasure.
save this session, guys. Please check out and please share this, and I'll be saving this on YouTube too. I'm making a YouTube channel, so you
Okay.
can check your video on YouTube too. Okay, so
Okay.
thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
Divya.
Me.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye bye.